Hello and welcome to another DefLink blog, which is titled Free Tax Help 2015. Now many of you may remember from last year and the years prior how DefLink and its parent organization, the League, partnered together with a number of other organizations and entities for the last several years to provide the free tax help. Now, for some of you others, you may be wondering, what is the free tax help? All right. As you know, every year you must report your earnings to the federal and state government. You may have received the W-2 from an employer and or 1099 forms for all other jobs performed during 2014. Those earnings must be reported in your taxes. Now we'll get more in depth in that in a moment. But let's touch on who these partners are in this program. United Way, 211, Allen County Financial Stability Partnership, Chase Bank, and Volunteer Center, and then a number of other organizations and entities. And these other unnamed entities are places who are willing to provide their building and facility to be used for the free tax help. Now back to the earlier mentioned information about what free tax help is and what it does. Now you may be like me and needing to remember that taxes are due April 15th. And much like me, you may realize, well, filling out these tax forms is not so easy. And I rely on a tax preparer to fill out my taxes. And here's the great news. With free tax help, you can avoid having to pay for someone to help prepare your taxes. And if you're curious about how to take advantage of this program, we'll explain this. You will have the opportunity to meet with a tax preparer who will ask you a number of questions. You will answer them. You can ask them questions and they will answer them. Now, if you happen to need an interpreter because neither one of you can communicate effectively with each other, no worries. That problem is addressed through DefLink's partnership with United Way. DefLink is providing the interpreting services. If you do need that assistance, if you would like to take advantage of the free tax help, call United Way at one of these three numbers. Hearing callers can call 211. If you're a video phone user, you can call 260-744-0700 or 877-502-0700. When you call them, provide them your name and that you want to enroll in the free tax help. You'll be asked a number of questions, and while you're discussing your need, make sure to tell them that you need a sign language interpreter. 211 will let you know when your appointment will be, the date, the time, what you need to bring. We'll provide more of this information in our blog to make it easier. But some of these things that you'll bring are ID, Social Security number, or I-10 number. Maybe you pay your rent to a landlord. Those things you need to bring. Another important thing to remember is the start and end date of Free Tax Help 2015, which is January 31st through April 13th. If you miss the boat after the 13th, you're on your own. So please take advantage of this. If you have questions, you can call DefLink at 260-441-0551 for voice callers. Or if you have a video phone, you can call 260-440-3013. If you understand clearly what's needing to happen, call 211 directly. Their number again is 260-744-0700 or 877-502-0700. Thank you, good luck, and we'll see you again.